Hi, this is Amy Davies, the Digital Content Officer here at PAAM. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about placing a bid on a piece in the members' 12 by 12 exhibition and silent auction, including how to set up an account, placing a bid, automating your bid, and making sure you don't get outbid at the last second. The easiest way to get to the auction site is to follow the link from the PAAM homepage, PAAM.org. Once you're there, click on the members 12 by 12 banner. This will open up a new page with a description of the auction. Once the page is open, click on the orange button that says Bid Now. This will bring you to the auction site. Now click on the gray View Items button. From here you can scroll through the pieces in the auction. They're arranged by artist's last name. Once you find a piece you like, you can click on the thumbnail. This will open up details about the piece and give you access to bid. Bidding starts at $125. If there's already a bid on an item, you will see the amount listed under the artist's name. It will say Current Bid. If there's no bid for a piece, you will see a small banner reading No Bids in the top right corner of the photo. On to bidding. You must have an account to place a bid. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in. Don't worry if you forget your password, you can reset it. To create an account, click on the Register Now button and fill out the form. The system requires you enter an email and credit card to bid, but browsing is free and requires no registration. Once you register, you'll get a confirmation text on your cell phone. Now you can place your bid. You'll be updated by text when you're winning a piece and when you've been outbid. Bids progress in increments of $25. The best way to be sure you're not outbid is to use the auto bid function. Similar to other auction sites, this lets you set a maximum bid that will increase once you're outbid. This is a good way to be sure you don't lose your favorite piece right before the bidding closes. You can also watch a piece you're interested in if you're not ready to bid yet. If you have any questions about the auction, please call the PAAM offices at 508-487-1750. Thank you for supporting PAAM and our member artists. Happy bidding!